How to log in into ADP employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in ADP employee login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, adp.com. You will be directed to the official website. Now here you're going to find different sections as for employees, for administrators, for accountants. Under your employees, you're going to find different sections. Head towards the section for which you want to log in. Select this section and then click on Employee Login. You will be directed to the login page. Now, providing your employee account's credentials, you can easily log into your account. Type in your user ID, then click on Next. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and then click on Done. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you have forgotten your user ID, click on this option to recover it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily log into ADP employee account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.